Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. This is the best muesli you'll ever have, I think, anyway. I am not a fan of muesli, but when I started having this a few years ago, it was about 4 or 5 years ago, I did a healthy eating week, and this was part of it. And it stuck with me for the last 2.5 years at work. I've only had it a few times since finishing work, but that's going to change. Right, so we need a bowl first of all to mix all these in. You can make this ahead of time, quite a bit ahead of time. Here I've got oats, normal, bog standard oats. There's some sultanas or raisins, not sure which they are. Dried prunes and dried apricots. I like nuts in mine, so I've got some walnuts and sesame seeds, so they'll be going in mine. And I tend to make a jar up, and that'll last me for about a week or so. And so here goes. Mix them all together. There go some oats in. Now I'll seal these back up again once I've had some out, because I don't want them going on me. Knife. And just get your apricots and chop them up, big or as small as you like. You won't really see it from there, will you? So I'll chop these up and then I'll bring you back when I'm adding them all together. So here we have, I've put some oats in the bottom of the bowl. I've cut up apricot and prunes. To that I'm going to add a few raisins, sultanas, with dried cranberries if you've got them, whatever sort of fruit you like. Not much for sultanas or raisins, so I don't put many in. Walnuts. Break a few walnuts in. And a few sesame seeds. And top up with a few more oats. And that is all there is to it. Mix it around so you get a good mix of everything. And just put it in your jar. Now if you think there's not enough oats in there, or fruit, or nuts, or whatever, you add more. Now I think that mix could do with a few more oats. And there is my jar of muesli, and tomorrow I'm going to show you how I prepare it and have it, and it's lovely. Thank you. Bye.